Oh, I think I could do a better job running my business. This business. Tell you what, I think I'm going to start my own business in competition. Just going to download all the records and just all the emails. Maybe send the emails to myself, my Gmail account, something like that. Maybe I should pop them all onto my USB stick. I'll get all this data on my USB. That's what I want. I'll go to Officeworks and I'll get a big hard drive and I'll put all the data on there, and yeah, that'll be good actually. I can start my own business. I've already got my customers' documents, procedures. I could do that. I don't think I have anything that restricts me in my business contract. I'll just copy all this data, pop it into my OneDrive, my Dropbox. Might just copy what I can while I can, and might even use the photocopier later, photocopy all the filing cabinet. Yeah, I could do this, I could do that. Right, I'll just get my data then, and I'll pop all that on my USB stick. Yeah, got all that data, right, I'm out of here. I'll start my own business now. Whilst that isn't a common scenario, it does happen. There are other ways also to have notifiable data breaches. Little breaches of data where somebody might just start up a business from within your business and steal all your customers. Or maybe you'll get a ransomware and your data will leak out another way. Something will happen, bingo, notifiable data breach, as well as potentially harming your business and your customer base. What can you do about it? Well, have a chat to us here at BTP. We can do all kinds of things. The most obvious one is nipping down to Officeworks, spending $100 on a USB drive in my lunch break, come back, plug it in, set up all my files to copy, and at the end of the day, I'll just nip that drive out and take it home with me with everything on the company server with me. A few things we can do. Obviously, security and what we make available to this person. They can't access everything. But did you know we can also turn off USB ports? We can use software that will allow USB webcams and keyboards and mice, but it won't allow storage. You can't plug in a hard drive, or if you can plug in a hard drive, it's read-only. Or you can't see it at all, it doesn't pop up, you just can't access it. Then of course you've got things like, can they use a remote session somewhere and cut and paste data? We can turn those sorts of things off. Also you've got worries about copying data up to OneDrive or maybe Dropbox or something like that. Have a talk to us about your security concerns. It's all valid concerns and it does happen. We've seen it happen everywhere. And yes, the scenario where someone gets the photocopier and photocopies the whole filing cabinet, that can happen. We've actually seen that, and we caught them because of the security records. They actually had to clock in and clock out through one of those little panels on the wall, and during that time that happened, a lot of paper and toner got used, and that led down the trail as to what happened. So if you've potentially got stuff you want to save and keep from everyone else, or some stuff that you want your staff to use but not necessarily copy, there are a lot of things we can do. So get in touch with us, and maybe even watch out for big oversized USB keys. In case you're wondering, yes, it's green. Sports day today at school. So I'm trying to make these videos interesting. Nothing more interesting than a guy with a green moustache. Try to clean it first. All right, thank you. See you later.